Hey guys, this is Metal Detecting on the Spectrum, and if you're watching this, please consider hitting the subscribe button, leaving a like, or leaving a comment. Thank you guys. Enjoy the video. Okay, folks, going to the beach, and it seems like it's a little bit dark out, but it's just because it is. And we're gonna do a night hunt. If you guys don't like night hunts, please go to one of my other videos. Or if you guys want to join me on this adventure, please continue watching. I'll see you guys when we get down there. Okay, guys, we made it down here. I'm just gonna do Dog Beach, and yeah, see if we get anything. See you guys in a second. Lock the bike up, and yeah, let's get down there. Okay, guys, bike is locked up. Let's get down there. Okay, guys, I got my first target, 62. 66. Probably all knows what this is gonna be. Penny, probably. What is it? Dusty Penny? What is that? I don't know what that is, but it's something. Let's keep going. See if that was it or not. That was it. Let's keep going. Okay, guys. I just had a little spring thing. I thought my GoPro was recording, but it wasn't. I just plugged that up. Let's keep going and see what we can get. It's a 48 signal. .47, 48. Oh, it's a smashed penny. Smashed penny. Don't know to where, but it's a smashed penny. Let's keep going. Mystery smashed penny. Here's a 32 signal. Got it. Earring. Copper earring, it looks like. Got jewelry. Copper earring. Let's keep going. Here's another target. -8. You have to glance over at my bike over there. It is dark, so you never know what can happen. I have to go chase someone down. See it over there. I feel the reflective wheels on my bike. That's why I wanted to park it here so I can see it. Think I got it? What is that? What the heck? That's a chain to a big dog. Holy guacamole. That's a collar, I think. That's a big, mean dog collar. Wow. I found some dog bling, I guess. Not silver, but some dog bling, dog collar. Let's keep going. We got a 58 signal here. Shit, this is 64. Got it. Should have it. No. Still down there. Let's see it. What it is. Got it. That was it. I saw it. Oh, look at that fishing lead. It's a fishing lead on one of those sliding rigs. Nice. That's a good sign. It means gold, from maybe gold. Let's keep going. They got another sitting signal here. 54, 56. Typical signal. See if it's a typical item. Let's see, a 9. It's out. It's seeing 8, 9 now. Something else in there, I think. There is something else in the hole. No, there's not. No, there wasn't. So this is where is it? What is it gonna be? Oh, it is a penny. That's what I was gonna guess. Penny. Keep going. Got a 36 signal here. Let's see. Okay. So this is. Looks like a piece of aluminum. Darn it. Keep on rolling. Okay, guys. I'm pretty much gonna wrap it up. I won't be down here too much longer. I just did the area in front of my bike. I just want to do the area in front of my bike just because I didn't want something taken off with it. It is locked up, but nothing bolt cutters can't handle. So I just want to be extra careful. And let's do the wrap up and then get on home, upload the video, and see you guys on YouTube. So guys, it's wrap up time. So for starters, we got a piece of aluminum. No, I don't know what the heck this thing is. I have no idea. We got a springy thing. Boing, 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 boing. We got 1 dime, 1 crusty penny, 1 smash penny, 1 fishing lead, this giant, I think what is a collar to a dog, this thing is behemoth. We got this earring, and that's all we got today. So guys, if you're not finding what you're looking for, keep looking, because you will find it. See you guys later.